The echo of tomorrow. In the quaint village of Eldermere, time moved with an unhurried grace, allowing the inhabitants to savor the mundane. Yet beneath this tranquil facade lay an ancient secret, a whisper of time itself, echoing through the cobblestone streets. Elena, a curious young woman with an insatiable thirst for knowledge, stumbled upon an old dust-laden tome in her grandmother's attic. The book spoke of the Chronicles of Echoes, a phenomenon that allowed individuals to glimpse moments from the future. Intrigued, she deciphered its cryptic verses, and driven by an unrelenting desire, she attempted the incantation. As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a golden hue over Eldermere, Elena chanted the words. The air shimmered, and before her eyes ethereal images materialized, visions of her village transformed, its people thriving, yet burdened by the weight of choices yet to be made. She saw herself, older and wiser, standing at a crossroads, grappling with decisions that would shape the lives around her. Overwhelmed, Elena hesitated. Was the future predetermined, or could her actions alter its course? The echoes faded, but the lingering question ignited a fire within her. Embracing her newfound insight, she resolved to live deliberately, to forge connections, and to nurture her dreams. Days turned to years, and the village blossomed. The echoes of tomorrow became a distant memory, yet Elena carried the whispers in her heart. She understood that while the future remained an enigma, the choices made today resonated far beyond the present, crafting a tapestry woven with hope and possibility.